you can hear me, can you please give me a thumbs up emoji and then hit enter for me in the chat box? So you click on the smiley face and then hit the thumbs up button, and then you'll hit enter or return it on your keyboard. Oh, I got Liam, RJ, Carly. Oh, Javi, I guess you can hear me, or you can't hear me. Okay. Can you hear me now? Okay. Alrighty. If it's too loud, please use the volume button. Alright, there's Javi. Malachi, can you hear me, bud? Eli, can you hear me? If you're not sure, hit the thumbs up button and then hit the enter on the keyboard. Okay, there's Eli and Malachi. Alright, I'm glad I got all of you guys here. RJ, perfect. Alright, so today, guys, we are going to be talking about regular and irregular plural nouns. This is the third day that we've been talking about it. Today's our invitation to collect. So by the end of today's lesson, you will be able to identify, meaning you'll be able to find regular and irregular plural nouns. Now, before we start, can someone remind us what are regular and what are plural nouns to start? What are plural nouns? RJ, why don't you hit the microphone button and tell us what are plural nouns? They are more than just one thing. Oh, can you hit the microphone button, bud? I don't think I heard you. Try again. Plural nouns is just more than one noun. Pickle piece. There you go. Okay. A plural noun is more than just one noun. So if I said, I have too many shoes, then rather one shoe. That's a great example. Yeah, it's more than one person, place, or thing. And then what do we usually see that tells us that it's a plural noun? What do we usually see with words that tells us it's a plural noun? RJ, you can turn off your microphone then, bud. Okay. Yeah, why don't you turn on your microphone and tell us what do we see that tells us that it's a plural noun? Can you turn on your microphone first? You will see ES, IES, and S. Very good. And then sometimes, remember, we can even have some words that just completely change because to tell us that they're plural, like child or children, foot or feet. And thank you, Liam. Can you turn off your microphone for me, please? All right. So just like RJ said, plural noun is more than one person, place, or thing. Regular plural noun we can see by S or ES. And I have some examples here, like hats, trees, computers, messes, or dresses. And then irregular plural nouns are IES, that we replace with words that have a Y at the end. Or sometimes they have the word that completely changes, like child and children, or foot or feet. Okay, so here's what I'm going to have you guys do. I'm going to have you look in different Storytown stories to see if you can find examples of the different types of plural nouns. So what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to give you a story in Storytown, and then when you find a plural noun, I want you to type it in your chat box and send it to me, and I'll add it to our chart here. So what I would like Carly and Javi to look at Ruby the Copycat. I would like RJ and Liam to look at The Day Addie Met the Author. And I would like Malachi and Eli to look at Schools Around the World. If you can find some different examples of plural nouns in there. So go ahead, open up your Storytown book. See if you can find some examples of plural nouns. If you have any questions, just feel free to raise your hand and I'll help you out. So you guys can get started. I'll give you about 5 minutes. Yes, Carly, turn on your microphone, girly.
I saw Ruby wearing Ruby saw Angela wearing Daisy, so she painted the Daisy.
Oh, okay. Carly, do you mind typing that into the chat box for me and then I will put it in there? All right, thank you. All right, so I got some already. I'll add them in there. Thank you, Carly. You can turn off your microphone too.
Can
Yes, Liam, what do you need? Take a microphone.
there's no wait, it just went away.
Oh, okay. I'm glad you were able to figure it out. Do I have me and Malachi? If you guys can find me a word, that'd be great, please. Also, if you have a question, remember to raise your hand using the online. You need something, RJ? Oh, okay. Oh, can you turn on your microphone?
I spelled whispers wrong.
Alrighty, how do you spell it?
WHIPERS.
Oop. I mean WISP.
Yeah.
Alrighty, thank you. Yes, Malachi, you can turn on your microphone.
I sent it countries. I don't think it worked.
Oh, yes it did. I see it right there. I just didn't get to put it up yet. Thank you for letting me know, Malachi. I'll add it right now. Alrighty, guys, take about 1 more minute. Hobby, Eli, remember we were looking for plural nouns. How can I help you, sir? Eddie met the author, and you're finding some examples of plural nouns for me. Yes, Carly, turn on your microphone.
I extended dresses.
Oh, I see it right there. I just didn't get a chance to add it in. Thank you for letting me know.
You're welcome. Are me and Liam on Ruby the Copycat?
You guys are doing Eddie met the author.
Okay, I was just making sure.
No problem. Alright. Yes, Malachi.
Are we supposed to do more than one?
Try and do as many as you can.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes, Eli.
Should we do like Tuesday, October 10th?
Well, is that a plural noun? Remember, plural noun is a person, place, or thing, and there's more of one of them. Be right with you, Carly. No, we're just doing Ruby the Copycat for right now. Alrighty. And actually, we are going to stop there. Let me get this last one here. Alrighty, so if you boys and girls, if you can close your Storytime books, we'll look at the ones that we have. Alright. So we're looking at some of our answers that we have here. Okay, so we have books, authors, classmates. Now I want to talk about these two. I want to talk about whispers, and I want to talk about sideways. Why wouldn't whispers or sideways fit in as a plural noun? Remember to raise your hand. Sorry. RJ, why wouldn't they fit in?
Sideways isn't a noun, and whispers isn't a thing, place, or a person.
Right. Whispers is actually a verb, so it's an action, and sideways is describing things that are moving from side to side, so that's actually an adjective. So everything else looks good minus our whispers and our sideways. We have dresses here, so and a lot of the S's, the plural nouns that end in ES usually have an S at the end, you'll see. And then we have our plural nouns with IES, like stories and daisies, because they do end in a Y. Now, it was a little hard to find some of those irregular nouns that change. The only one that I really saw when I was reading Schools Around the World was this one. Oops. I found the word. Children. Yeah, so more than one child. Alrighty, very good, guys. Oh, yes, Malachi.
I sent it in lessons.
Yep, you did. I see it, and I have it right here in our chart. Thank you for double checking with me.
Sorry.
It's okay. It's good to double check. Alright, guys. We're going to stop here, but tomorrow we're going to practice looking at editing sentences with plural nouns and also writing sentences with plural nouns as well. Alrighty, guys. I hope you have a great day. Thank you so much for your help today. You can go right ahead and log out.
So we're